Hey, welcome to the Super User login setup screen. I'm going to explain the elements of the screen before we go ahead and add a super username and password. Obviously, there are the two fields to do that directly in front of you. In the bottom left, there's a method of updating the super username after you've set it initially, a way of updating the super user password, and then separate from that, creating a master password that you can use to override employee passwords. So basically what this is, it's a screen that is a manager function screen. And the reason that we have two different passwords is employees may need to use the super user name and password to actually log a tablet into a cooking screen. But we don't want to give those employees the ability to have your manager master password to override functionality like an employee clocking into the game. And that will make more sense to you in the videos that show Timeinator in use, the employee setup stuff. Anyhow, as far as preparing this screen, go ahead and pick a super username. If you touch the field, it will tell you need to have at least 6 characters and no spaces. Make this something that you can remember. For the video, I'm going to go ahead and put in super timer. That's easy enough. And then touch on the password field. And this has to be 8 characters. Let me close my password saver. We don't want that for here. It needs to be 8 characters with no spaces, at least 1 capital letter, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. So for this, I'm going to, just to show you, I'll put in, like, say, capital T, timer, at 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to click Add Manager. And it says that it was added successfully. Now let's go back into that Manage Super User. And as of the making of this video, you need to add your super user password one more time. And we'll have that worked out pretty soon. So, timer at 1, 2, 3, 4 is what I decided to use. And then the last thing, return to the super user screen, is actually, so you can see on the screen it says already added super user name is super timer. So if you forget, you can come back here. If you forget your password, you can quickly come back in here and just add a new password. It doesn't even make you verify the old one. And then as far as creating an override passwords for overriding employee clock-ins and logins, create master password for employees. I'm going to click that button. If you touch the field, you can see it's also going to make you put in certain characters. And for this, I'm just going to go ahead and put in test, and I'll do the same type of structure at 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Create. So as far as using these features, you'll learn about that in the upcoming videos, what you do with these passwords. But as far as setting up this page goes, that's all the information that you really need. If for some reason you have any questions and you need us to give you a call, you can always go to the support icon here on your dashboard or to our main website and go to the Contact Us form. Good luck using the Timeinator, and we wish you the best in your restaurant. Take care.